I'm Ryan, and I'm back with Whiskey and Washers. My dogs are just so out of control right now. Yes, it's so fun. Welcome back. Look at these two. I riled them up a little bit. It's so fun. Yep. Olive's always the instigator because she's smaller. And she can just get away with whatever she wants. Yeah. Just gonna bite him a little bit. Bite him. Bite him. Yep. Get his back leg. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is just the best timing ever. Look at her. Playing coy. Simon is not having it. Oh, he's gonna steal my shoe. Yep, there he goes. he just stole my shoe. He thought that, see, she's such a ball hound. He thought he would instigate her with that, but it did not work. Because she's still just like, yeah, whatever. All right. Well, oh, what a great start to Whiskey and Washers. Hold on. It may not be over. Yeah, it might be. It might be. If only I had... And I don't. I can't even say the word in front of her right now, but if I had one, we get her playing big time. So, here's what I was planning on doing. I was thinking I was going to have one drink of Old Ezra 7 year. That's right. So this is interesting. Distilled and aged in Kentucky for Lux Road Distillers, Bardstown, Kentucky. So how I read that is distilled and aged in Kentucky for. So Lux Row is not distilling or aging this, but it is getting done in Kentucky. And then they are bottling it, right? Because it's distilled and aged for Lux Row. And I've never noticed this before. Holy cow. Sorry. Phone fell over. And I'd never noticed this before. So, we're just going to pour myself just a little bit today. Because I've got some chicken out thawing for the dogs. I think that's why they're all fired up. I actually have it outside covered up. Oh, man. And they, Olive's right there. Simon's right there. They're loving a beautiful evening, as I am. So I'm going to drink Old Ezra 7 year. I have no idea actually who is aging and distilling this for them. But whoever is, they're doing a great job. And it's in Kentucky. Charcoal mellowed. So interesting. That's why you always got to read the bottle. Read the fine print, as they may say. This isn't going to tell me anything. See? Same thing. Yeah, that is really shaky. Distilled and aged in Kentucky, bottled for Lux Row Distillers, Bardstown, Kentucky. So yeah, so somebody else is doing this for them. But it's good. Anyway, 4 minutes in. I haven't even picked up the washers. Look at that. Look how good that looks on there. So do that just to give you a kind of an idea of what kind of, how big the middle is and whatnot. God, they're still really close. Just loving it. Yep. All right. So I'm drinking it. Whoever's making it, I'm drinking it. I enjoy it. Yeah, it's good. So I will say, it says it is charcoal mellowed. Like I'm getting a little flavor from that, I think. Because all day I've been drinking, all day. So all the podcasts I've done today, I've been drinking Russell Reserve Single Barrel. And it's awesome. And so I think I'm getting that, like, I think I'm pulling that flavor a little bit more than I typically do. Anyway, it's still really damn nice. So, let's see how long. You can tell I've had some cocktails today. Cocktails. I've had some bourbon. Neat. A lot of this today. But doesn't mean the washers are going to be bad. Oh my goodness. Focus is going to be bad. I probably should have left it because maybe that's what I'm looking at right now. Hey, you never know. So, that's hilarious. Hey, the dogs are watching, you're watching. Let's go. How long does it take a drunk Ryan to score 50 points? That's in. 2 in. Get up there. Oh. All right. Hey, 6 minutes in. Oh my God. 6.5 minutes in. Just got done with my first round. 2 in, 1, 2, 3 on. Yep. Sorry, I was a little zoomed in too much. 2 in, 3 ons, 9 points. That's right. Keeping track right there. So, oh my goodness. This has been an interesting start. God, these washers are way out here. To a podcast. And I freaking love it. I'm actually going to zoom out a little bit more. Because Simon's right there. Look at Olive. She's right there too. This is going to scare him up. So I'm going to have to warn him beforehand. Because, yeah, they're close enough. Let's see what happens. Simon's already looking at me. Hey, guys. Simon. Olive. I'm going to throw washers, so it's going to be loud. Okay? Be ready. Simon still got scared. Simon, I tried to tell you. Oh, I seriously think his hearing is actually going bad. He is an old boxer. So Olive is going to turn 6. Oh, sorry. That went in, by the way, I believe. Olive is going to turn 6 in about 2 months. And I had Simon before her. And Simon was full grown. He's a rescue. So he's got to be at least 8. Because he didn't grow anymore. So he had to be at least 2. And they don't have any records on him or anything. So nobody knows. But anyway, he's an 8-year-old boxer. So I think his hearing is going a little bit. He heard it go in the middle of the box. But yep. He didn't hear me tell him, hey, heads up, I'm going to throw some washers. And Olive's just standing there, sitting there, staring at me. Hi, baby. How you doing? All right, I'm going to throw more washers. It was a good start. That was a long time ago, but yep, made the first one. That's in. Oh, geez. Had a bad feel on that one. Yeah. Come on. God. That was bad. Man, I need to pick up the pace. 9 minutes in. I've only thrown, that was only my second round. All right. So 2 in, 1, 2, 3, 4 on. That's 10 points. 9 on the first one. 19 points. 2 rounds in. Yep. All right. Sorry, it's been kind of a blabbermouth so far. That's what happens when you get me drinking Russell Reserve single barrel for so long prior to the start of this. All right. But right now I'm drinking Old Ezra 7-year. And it's nice. It's probably wasn't a great pick to follow up the Russell Reserve. Didn't think about it when I was doing it, but what are you going to do? 2 in. 3 in. 4 in. 5 in. Ah, that's left. Come on. Oh, that was deep. That was pretty good. Pretty good. 5 in. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 on 17. Woo. Woo, that's pretty good. 17 plus 19 is 36. Got it marked. That was my third round. 9, 18, 27. That's not bad. Not bad. I need, I'm at 36. God, look at all this in there. I'll get them. Hold on. I was told there'd be no math. All right. I need 14 points. That's all I need to worry about. 14 points. I'm not going to break a record. 32, I believe, is my record of throws to get to 50 points. I'm at 27 right now, so if I make the first 5, yeah, that's 15. I'll get there. So it's doable. You know what? First 5. Let's go. Olive's still down there just chilling. Missed the first one. That's in. I need 14. Oh. God, those are just millimeters long. God, that went in. That didn't go in. Dang it, I didn't get there. I needed 14, so I'm at 36. 14. Just 2 in, 3 on. 9 points. Puts me at 45. I need 5 more points. That was round number 4, so I've thrown 36 washers, 45 points. That's not bad. Not bad. That was deep. Holy cow. 3, 6, 9. She's chilling. Simon a little further away. He's like, yeah, it's too loud for me over there. All right. 5 points. Let's get it done. Hopefully just a handful of washers. That's in. Oh! Took me 2 washers. I needed 5 points. I think those first 2 went right in. Yes, they did. How about that? Here, let me show you. 3, 6, 7. Yeah, that's right. First 2 in. So that was, what, 37 washers to get to 50 points? That's not bad. Not bad. I'm going to throw the rest of them. I mean, I'm not just going to throw the first 2 in and then not throw anymore. Let's see what happens. Short. That's in. That's in. That's in. That's in. Oh, God dang it. Oh, God, I really wanted that last one. Oh, I don't even know.